Welcome to a very quick episode of Montgomery Micros. We're back in Montgomery with John, and I just picked up some cool stuff here from my old boss. This VCR, Sony VCR and DVD player. I collect all the VCRs I could get. And John has acquired some 5150s, and he brought one. This one looks like it had its poor feelings hurt a little bit. And same with the keyboards. They've had their feelings hurt a little bit. But I've got my 5153 monitor out here. So I say we pull it out real quick and hook it up to the system and see if we can bring it to life. Gonna cut off the AC for a second so we can hear the computer. 160. No, this is a 5160, like the one I have at my house.
Yeah.
That was my aunt's, brand new. Got a heart. Let's fire up the display. I'm gonna change display rates, refresh rates. We'll see if that's better. And I thought it was already on. Go for it. Yeah.
That's not coming on.
No, hard drive didn't spin up. I just hear the power supply fan or...
The floppy is not even... didn't beep.
Yeah, but depending on how much RAM it takes, this thing takes forever to do the RAM count.
It's got
but there's
512, I think.
You would have something on the display too. So right out the gate, we're gonna say this one doesn't work in its current condition. See, now it's perfect to set up where I could just sit out here and listen to music, and drink beer, hang out with my friends. We're making progress, and there's still ways to go, but I could see myself already just sitting here and drinking beer as it is and trying to enjoy a little bit of life. Can hang out in here and drink beer too. Well, we can't get into it today without tools. So anyway, I said it was going to be a short one, and it was. But there's plenty more left to do. Thanks for watching. We'll have a full length feature coming up soon.